Hello there everybody. Hi, I hope everybody is doing well. My name is Nikki, your humble and gracious host today with the music video Makeup Monday going on today. Today we are going to be doing a very old music video look. We are going to be doing Nancy Sinatra's These Boots Are Made for Walking. And that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Music video, yeah, makeup look today. So if you've seen this music video, it's not really a music video, it's kind of like a performance. And again, it is in a very old time generation era thing. So you can't really see the extent of the makeup. So I've kind of put together a composite of different looks that she has done in this era to recreate a look that is similar to what I can semi-see in this music video. So we're gonna go ahead, jump straight into it and recreate it and talk a little bit of facts about the song, its creation, and of course, the music video itself. So let's go ahead and get on started. The first thing that I want to start off with today is covering up this pink face that I have going on. I'm going to be using my lovely Fenty Beauty, which is somewhere over here. There you go. I'm gonna jump in and use the Fenty Beauty foundation and blend it all over my face, and that is going to be the start of our look. So go ahead, put your choice of foundation on, and let's go ahead and get started. Upon completion of application of your lovely foundation, she does usually have a very highlighted look, so make sure to use a cream contour to just highlight your key points. Doesn't have to be too crazy, and then we're gonna add kind of blush and some powder to kind of set everything in place. But yeah, go ahead and, ooh, I got an itch. But yeah, go ahead and start the blending out process. Just lighten under the eyes and on your forehead. After you have applied your cream contour, go ahead and powder it up and make sure that it all stays in place and that your bright points stay bright, you know? And then the rest, just kind of do a little bit of this action, you know, to make sure it all stays in place, you know? Everyone's got a different routine. So you don't have to do exactly the way I'm doing it, but just make sure that your under eyes are bright, because that is how she does it, you know what I'm saying? Now to finish off the face, we're gonna put some blush to give it that little bit of pop of color. We are gonna go in with this orangey tone that I have up here on top, but of course adjust as needed based off of your skin tone, and just apply that to the apples of your cheeks to give it some color. As we're doing this, let's go ahead and start our conversation about Miss Nancy Sinatra's song. So for those of you who, I'm not gonna say live under a rock, but you know, if y'all kind of live under a rock, just a little bit. Nancy Sinatra is the daughter of the late and great Frank Sinatra. Please tell me you know who that is. Fly me to the moon. All these songs, man, he was freaking amazing. So she is big time stuff. This particular song though, the one that we are working to recreate today, which is These Boots Are Made for Walking, was actually written by a man by the name of Lee Hazelwood. Yeah, Lee Hazelwood wrote this song originally for himself. He really wanted to sing this song, make this song a success. He wrote it and was like, yo, this song is great and it is mine. But Nancy was a friend of his, and Nancy was like, oh no, oh no, didn't know. Nancy heard the song, and when she heard the song, she was like, so these boots are made for walking. That's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. That comes from a man that sounds abusive. Straight up. And the guy, Lee, was just like, oh no, like this is a good song. I want to sing it. I wrote it and I want to sing it. And she was like, honey, if you want to sound like you are abusive, go right ahead. But I think I should sing this song because it's going to sound a lot better and a lot cuter. And I think we both know who won that fight. So Nancy went on and ahead and recorded the song, and and it released in December of 1965. It did not take long for this song to become a banger, because by January 22nd, 1966, the song charted at #1. The song went on to become #1 not only in the United States, but also in the United Kingdom. The music video went on to be directed by a guy by the name of Robert Sidney and was produced by Official Films, which was a branch in Paramount Studios in Hollywood. It wasn't really called a music video back then because music videos weren't a thing. It was just kind of like a film. And later on, you know, it was basically said that it was a music video, but originally it was like not a music video because that was not a thing. I'm gonna add a little bit more white to my center since through the blending process it did get a little bit removed. Here we are going to jump into the toughest part. From here we are going to jump into the toughest part of the evening, and that is going to be doing the eyeliner. So I'm not going to be doing much talking throughout this eyeliner, but essentially we're going to be doing a line right here, and then we are going to do a line on the top that's going to connect here at the end. This is a trend that I have been seeing very heavily lately in pop culture, music videos, whatever, in today's day and era. So this is one of the originals as to where it may have came from. So yeah, we're gonna recreate that, take our time, do that whole shebang. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this visual. For our choice of eyeliner today, we are going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. It is gel, so it will be easier for us to apply. We just have to take our time and be precise. As we sit here and we do these eyes real quick, let's go ahead and talk about this music video a little bit more. So this song is an amazing song. It is a very catchy song that people, you know, really loved as the years progressed, and it has actually been featured in a bunch of different movies, including Full Metal Jacket, Now and Then, Austin Powers, International Man of Mystery, as well as Ocean's 8. In 2006, it was also named on Pitchfork's list as the 114th best song of the 60s. And since then has gotten many different musicians recreating versions or their renditions of the song, one including from the Dukes of Hazzard film, Jessica Simpson, who made her own version to this song. So that, my friends, basically wraps up this eye look. It is a tricky look to do. Please don't get it twisted. It is not an easy look to do, especially when you are doing the crease up on the top. It depends on your eyelid shape and the way that your eyelids settle, but I was having a tough time without trying to get it to kind of hit that line and just become like a giant grease ball, because yeah, it's tough, it's tricky. So take your time with it, please, as much as you possibly can. If you mess up, it's okay. Try and, you know, rectify it the best way that you can. That's what I did, at least in some of the areas. I had a flat brush and I added a little bit more powder on the bottom so that it's a little bit less noticeable. But if my eyes are open, you can't tell. It's really when I close them that I just don't feel like it looks right. But the remaining steps for this look is actually on her bottom lash line. We're gonna add a few little flares of eyeliner to make it look as though I have longer eyelashes. Looking at this particular image that I have pulled up, it doesn't look like lashes. It doesn't look like fake eyelashes. It looks drawn in. So we're just going to lightly pencil some strokes on the bottom lash line and then add mascara on top of it. And to finish off the eyes, we are going to add our choice of mascara. You can also add falsies if you would like, but as we all know, if you are on this channel often, I am not going anywhere, so we don't need the falsies. We are just gonna go ahead and just apply this mascara, honey. And then for the lips, we are just going to top it off with a nude lip. I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Cosmetics lip and just apply that. My friends, wraps up our Nancy Sinatra inspired makeup look for today from These Boots Are Made for Walking. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in for another music video makeup Monday. If you guys would like to see more videos like this one, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below. And side note, in case I didn't mention this earlier, all the products that I did use today are going to be linked down below, so please do not hesitate to look at the products so that you can see if you have them or if you can find products that are like them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. See ya!